Hello Rafikis, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cook boneless chicken pilau. You're welcome guys. We have our chicken cut into cubes, and then you have our salt. Add your salt, then black pepper, and then we have our mixed curry powder. Mix all together, plus the vinegar aside. Mix it. It's all ready. And then we have our garlic, our onions for the pilau. Then not forgetting our pilau whole mix. After that, heat your pan, add your cooking oil, then add your boneless chicken, pan fry them 2 minutes, then turn over on the other side for it to cook. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rafiki's Kitchen. Please cook the chicken on both sides, and then we move from pan and add the other batch that you have remained with for it to cook. All our chicken is ready now for us to cook the pilau. Add cooking oil in your sufuria. Add your onions, and I usually use a lot of onions in my pilau. Don't forget that onions bring a very nice taste to your pilau. No tomatoes, no tomato paste, just onions. Then add your garlic and your pilau mix. Mix the onions till almost golden brown, and then add your chicken. Mix, let it cook for a while. Cover your sufuria. Mix a little, and then add water. Let it boil, and then put your salt for taste. You see how it looks? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Rafiki's Kitchen. And now our water is already boiled. Add our rice. Let it cook on medium heat. Just mix a little bit. Yeah, we got it. Our chicken pilau is almost cooked. As you can see it, the aroma smells so nice. And in this part, I always love adding my carrots and my green pepper. It will bring a most amazing taste to your pilau at the last stages of the pilau. And then you'll cover and let it cook on low heat. Hit the like button and share button and subscribe. Our pilau is now ready. Look how it is steaming hot. Serve this food while it's hot with your kachumbari, with anything on the side, with any drink. And now we are serving our pilau. For me, I'm doing my pilau, and then I did my kachumbari, and I have my mayo mix. I'll show you on my next video how I do it. It brings an amazing taste to your food. This is all we have right now, as you can see. I'll test it for you on this side. Subscribe to Rafiki's Kitchen. Thank you for watching my video. Till the next time. God bless.